Let me show you how to make this chubby-cheeked hamster and his sunflower seed treat in just a few easy steps. For this project, you will need golden brown, white, pink, and black polymer clay, a toothpick, and a non-metal baking dish. To make the hamster's body, roll a large ball of the brown clay about 1 inch in diameter. Now make the head about 1/3 of the size of the body and shape it into a kidney bean shape. This will form the hamster's puffy cheeks. Flatten an oval of white clay so that it fits inside the curve of your kidney bean shaped head. Press it into place. Stick it securely onto the body. You can also use a piece of toothpick in between the head and the body to help it stay on a little better. Press flat a circle of white clay. It should be big enough just to cover the front of the body. Press it into place. Roll 2 thin short logs for the arms, just under 1/2 inch each. Roll tiny balls of pink and stick them securely on the end of each arm. Stick the arms in place at the shoulders and leave them just sticking straight out for now. Form small teardrop-shaped pieces for the feet out of pink. Make them about twice as big as the hands and attach them just on the bottom front of the body. Roll 2 small balls of white clay, a little bigger than the hands, to make the hamster's snout. Press them into place securely. Roll a small ball of pink about half the size of the balls that you just made and stick it on the top in between to form the little pink nose. Flatten 2 small balls for ears and add small pink centers. Use a toothpick to make a fold in the middle of the ear. So press in the toothpick about halfway up and fold just the bottom end of the ear around the toothpick. Then place it on the very back of the head. The ears go close together and toward the back. Roll tiny balls of black clay that will become the eyes. Before placing the eyes, take your toothpick and make a hole in the head where they should go and make it just a little bit bigger than your black balls. Now take the tiny balls with the toothpick and insert them into the hole. Press the clay in just a little all around the eyes. This will create nice deep set eyes for our hamster. Now we're going to make a treat for our hamster to hold. I'm going to do a sunflower seed here, but of course you can do whatever you would like. So I twisted 2 pieces of black and white clay together, and I'm going to form it into a sunflower seed shape. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of black clay just on the very bottom of the sunflower seed to make the shell look more realistic. So I'm just pressing down sort of a half circle piece at the bottom. And then I'll take a toothpick and drag some of that black clay up through the shell, just again to make it look a little more realistic like a sunflower seed. Place the seed on the hamster's belly and press it into place, and then fold the arms in so that it's holding on to the seed, putting the tip right at the hamster's mouth. Now we'll do a few last minute touches. Use the end of my toothpick to make some whisker marks on the snout. And then I'm going to take the tiniest pieces of white clay that I possibly can and just make tiny highlights in the middle of the eyes with the tip of my toothpick. Now it's time to bake the hamster. Put it on a non-metal baking dish and follow the clay manufacturer's instructions. It'll be about 275 degrees for about 20 minutes for this project. Once the hamster is baked and completely cooled, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more polymer clay, animals, and other crafts.